A great day for a drive, especially in this 2015 Transit T350 in white. It has black cloth interior, seating for 15 passengers. It also has a 3.7 liter V6 engine, automatic transmission, and it's a rear wheel drive. You have a sliding door on the passenger side for easy access and two doors in the back with big windows in the rear. You also have a trailer tow hitch as well as a running board for the passengers to easily enter the vehicle. If you'd like to take this vehicle out on a test drive, you can take it out and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned, we're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. It's a 3.7 liter V6 engine. It's paired with an automatic transmission and this vehicle is a rear wheel drive. Let's have a look inside. Speaker in the door as well as power locks and windows. The driver's seat is manually adjusted and you have your mirror controls located here. You also have your lighting controls. The steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and on the face of it we have our dash controls, cruise control, and hands-free dialing. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, your odometer reading, and there's also a menu that you can go through and choose different options. So trip 1, trip 2, information, settings, and these all have sub-menus. And as well, on your steering wheel you have the ability to turn down the sound on your radio. And right now we're seeing the time as well as the temperature outside. You've got a CD player and you've got your media there, so we can go through the different options and shuffle through on that by pushing the buttons. And you also can go forwards and backwards in the different options that you want. There's CD, for instance, and they're saying there's no CD in there. And then you've got your hazard lights. That's your volume control as well, and power on. And then you've got your fan down below. You've got your AC at 12 volts, another 12 volt here, an automatic shifter with tow haul. And you've got little bins, a cup holder, auxiliary upfitter switches, and for your trailer tow, integrated trailer brake controller. The driver and passenger have armrests. There's a glove compartment off to the side there, as well as a little bin to put bottles. And you have a manually dimming rear view mirror. There's your lighting controls. You also have the airflow control there and a nice area up top that you can put items. Do be careful though, because they can move in transit. And there's a grab handle on the passenger side, and that just makes it easier to get in. Wheels, black door handle, and you're seeing that cut out. When you open the door, you then have access to your fuel cap. And in the rear, you've got these big windows, the high mount light, down below, backup sensors on your bumper, and you also have a trailer hitch with a 4 and 7 pin connector. When we want to open up the back, we simply pull the handle on the right hand side, and then on the left, there's a clip here. You just open that right up, and you now have access to the back area. This vehicle seats 15, and there's lighting up top. And then when you're ready, just swing the doors closed. So start with the left and then the right. And then you can just lock everything up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. About these vans is that they have these sliding doors and also great steps to get in, as well as grab handles. This vehicle has 15 seats, so you've got 3 rows with 3-point seat belts for each passenger. There's a pass-through between the front driver and passenger. And up top you can see that nice bin that you can put items, and there's also lighting up top as well. Sensors, trailer tow hitch, big windows for your passengers, long arm side view mirror, and halogen headlights, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we love to hear your comments.